Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. Today our topic is longitude and latitude. Okay, take out your books. We will read page number 3. To make it easy for us to find a place on a map, we use an artificial grid made up of vertical and horizontal lines. The vertical lines are drawn from north to south, passing through the north and south poles. These lines running north to south are called meridians of longitude. The horizontal lines are drawn from east to west, parallel to the equator. These lines running east to west are called parallels of latitude. These lines running from north to south are called meridians of longitude. These lines that are running from east to west are called parallels of latitude. The equator is the line of latitude which goes all the way around the middle of the earth. It divides the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. There are 90 parallels of latitude in each hemisphere. The equator is at 0 degree and the degrees increase northwards or southwards from the equator. The North Pole is at 90 degree N and the South Pole is at 90 degree S. This line is called equator. The equator is at 0 degree. All of these lines are called parallels of latitude. North Pole is at 90 degree N. N means north. South Pole is at 90 degree S. S means south. The meridians of longitude are also marked in degrees. You know that there are 360 degrees in a complete circle. There are also 360 degrees or meridians of longitude. All the meridians pass through the poles and are of equal length. One of these lines has to be 0 degree. This is called the prime meridian and it passes through Greenwich, England. Lines drawn to the west of the prime meridian are marked with W and those to the east are marked with E. The 180 degree meridian is exactly opposite the 0 degree meridian on the other side of the world. It is known as International Dateline, IDL. It is neither east nor west. When we cross the ideal traveling towards the east, we gain 1 day. When we cross the ideal traveling westwards, we lose 1 day. These are the meridians of longitude. The central line is called prime meridian. It is at 0 degree. 180 degree meridian is exactly opposite the 0 degree meridian. It passes through the Greenwich. It is the name of a place present in England. Important points. Meridians of longitude. The vertical lines running from North Pole to South Pole are called meridians of longitude. There are 360 meridians of longitude. All the meridians pass through the poles and are of equal length. The meridian of 0 degree is called the prime meridian and it passes through Greenwich, England. The 180 meridian is called the International Dateline and it is exactly opposite to the 0 degree meridian. Parallels of latitude. The horizontal lines running from east to west, parallel to the equator, are called parallels of latitude. There are 90 parallels of latitude in each hemisphere. The equator is at 0 degree and the degrees increase northwards or southwards from the equator. The North Pole is at 90 degree N. The South Pole is at 90 degree S. This is your first activity. Fill in the blanks. Parallels of dash run from east to west round the world. The 0 degree meridian passes through a place called dash. The dash meridian is exactly opposite the 0 degree meridian. The equator divides the earth into the dash and dash hemispheres. The 180 degree meridian is known as dash. Home activity. Differentiate between meridians of longitude and parallels of latitude. Copy this question in your notebook and answer them. God bless you, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.